Hi, everyone. Welcome to Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy process on how to download Eazzy banking application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Go and tap open your Play Store. To begin now, go to the search box at the top and type in Eazzy the bank application and make a search. You'll be able to see the application displayed on the next page. In order to begin the downloading process, tap on the install button right next to the app. Your downloading process will depend upon your internet speed. So always be sure to be connected to a strong internet while downloading an application of your choice. Eazzy Banking Application is a revolutionary platform for Equity Bank customers that helps you manage your money, track your financial goals, and communicate with more freedom, choice, and control. Once the application is downloaded and it is ready for use, you should see an open button popping up right next to the app. If you give it a tap, the app will be launched on allow access to manage and make phone calls with Eazzy Banking. And that is how it is done. Select your country and get started. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.